Goldfish time. Раз, два, три. You want to do intro with me? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Anastasia. Welcome everybody. Well, we have a special guest over here. That's my daughter Nicole. She came to hug me. Guys, today I would like to review another balloon garland kit from Soon Lin. I already worked with them before and I really liked their first balloon garland, and I have high hopes for their second balloon garland that I received from them. So everything will be linked and listed in the description under the video. And yeah, you guys, let's just jump into this review. This is what I got from Soon Lin. 3 bags of the same balloon garland kits. I'm not sure how many of them I will be using in today's video. I know for sure I want to use my gold hoop stand for this setup. Now let's pull up this Amazon listing of this kit and see how much it's gonna cost and read the description a little more to understand what we have here. And this is how this balloon garland looks on Amazon. One kit will cost you $15.98. This kit will have rose gold balloons and it includes 100 pieces in it. Let's scroll down to the description. And the description says that it includes 10 gold metallic balloons, 10 pink confetti balloons, 15 pearl rose gold balloons, 30 baby pink balloons, 20 white balloons, 15 hot pink balloons, and other accessories as well. So let's open one kit up and see what we have inside. See whatever they described in the description. We have it here, different colored balloons. Then we have this baggie over here with curling ribbon, balloon strip to construct your balloon garland, some glue dots, and what else? Confetti balloons, and this little booklet and instructions inside how to assemble this whole thing. I'm ready to blow my balloons. As you know, when I review a balloon garland kit, I usually use everything that is included in the kit to show you the full thing. Well, today I felt a little bit different. I decided not to use my balloon strip. I want to pair my balloons today and wrap my balloons against my gold frame. We'll see how that's gonna go. It's gonna be something different. So I am pairing my balloons. I am taking different color balloons. I am blowing my balloons at the same time. As soon as I'm done blowing my balloons, I am pressing my balloons against floor to give them more rounder shape. And then I am tying these balloons together to create a pair like this. I am not pairing my gold confetti or rose gold confetti balloons. I will deal with them later. I think I want to fill in spaces with these balloons so to give my setup a little different feel to it, you know? So we'll set those aside and let's pair the rest of the balloons. Done blowing all of my colorful balloons from 2 kits. My 3rd kit is sitting aside right now. If anything, I'll use it up a little bit later, but for now, I want to quickly show you what I am doing with my confetti balloons. So blow it up. These translucent balloons are very, very nice quality. They are not as foggy as most of translucent balloons, and you can see confettis really, really well. And by the way, if you're tying these balloons individually, use your balloon tying tool, you guys. Save your fingers from blisters and damaged skin. Now, to static all of these confetti balloons, I am taking my own 2 hands right there, and I am starting to rub on my balloon. Give it a shake, rub some more, give it a shake, rub some more. The reason I'm doing this, I am creating static inside of my balloon, and confettis are starting to stick to the walls of my balloon. And here you have one beautiful confetti balloon with confettis all around your balloon. I used to use a towel or a piece of paper towel, and I noticed that those two things can leave foggy marks on your balloons. So that's why I switched to my hands, safer and without any scratches, right? So this is all you do with your confetti balloons. Keep on blowing, keep on rubbing, and we're almost there. I can't wait to construct this whole thing. You I won't be building my balloon garland with my fishing line. I am taking two pairs like this, and I am intertwining them together right on my frame, kind of twisting my balloons around here and there, and here we go. It holds really, really well. Let me show you this again. So two pairs, and I am literally like crisscrossing them, putting my frame right in between my crisscross, taking my bottom balloon and switching places with another balloon, and then I'm taking this pink balloon and crossing over my gold, and here we go. I hope that makes sense. Guys, I feel like it's a lot faster to fill in your frame when you take your pairs of balloons and make it into a quad like this, and then you feed it on your frame, and then the only spot that you need to close on your quads are these two balloons right here. Just like that. Press it down, and that's all you need to do. So this is definitely a lot faster than just taking two pairs and trying to weave them on your frame. My circle is full of balloons. I am happy with what I see. Now I need to fill in spaces with these confetti balloons. I'm using my low temperature glue gun for this, dollops of glue, and straight to my structure. Let's go. Here is what I have for you guys today. This is my take on these balloon garland kits from Soon Lin. Thank you so much for sending me these kits. I've really enjoyed working with them. Great quality balloons, very cute colors. Everything works great together, and everything looks really good together as well. $15 for one kit is pretty good, I would say. I lost one gold balloon while I was blowing it, and I lost additional 3 balloons while I was wrapping my balloons around my frame. My frame has screws sticking out on the side of my frame, and while I was wrapping my balloons caught those screws and my balloons popped. So totally my fault, not the quality of balloons. I used 2.5 kits for this setup, approximately 230 balloons for all this, and it looks very cute. I like it. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Everything will be linked and listed in the description under the video, and some pictures will be at the end of this video as well. Well, this is it, you guys. This is what I have for you today. This is my take on these balloon garland kits from Sunlin. If you have any additional questions, please leave them in the comment section below. I will try to help you out to the best of my abilities. If you enjoyed this video and it was helpful and it was just fun to watch, then don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with family and friends. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more videos, and I hope you'll have a wonderful weekend ahead of you, and I will see you back very soon. Bye.